Hello friends. Today Omnom and I are painting. Look, we are painting a bright yellow sun. Ta-da! It looks beautiful.
Nom nom nom.
Omnom, are you hungry? Little ones need food to grow strong. But paint. Omnom, what did you bring? Oh, you have Playdough. It's a cookie making set. That's perfect. Let's take a break from painting and make some delicious cookies for Omnom. Look at all the tools we have. 4 cookie cutters, a rolling pin, a piping bag full cream. Now, let's get started with this mold. First, I will make 2 nut glue cookies. One, 2. Now I will add some cream in the middle. Omnom, do you like banana cream?
Oh, hee.
There, the first cookie is ready. Now, let's make a star-shaped cookie. Adding a small star on top. Perfect.
Now, this beautiful cookie.
Omnom demanded this circle-shaped cookie. Here it is. Let's make it. Beautiful. Stars. Small hearts. Look, Omnom. Your cookies are ready. Here you go. Enjoy your snack.
Nom nom nom.
Now that Omnom is full, We can finish printing our picture. Bye, friends. Hello, friends. Today I am baking delicious chocolate cookies because Guru will be home from school soon. She loves them.
Sophia, where are you?
I am in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I am making my favorite chocolate cookies. We will eat them together soon.
I don't really feel like eating cookies today.
Oh, why not? You seem sad. Did something bad happen?
Yes, something bad happened to my friend.
What happened?
Do you remember the heavy rain yesterday?
Yes, it rained a lot.
Well, my friend's window was left open and all her toys and clothes got wet. She had to throw them away.
My toys, I have nothing left to play with anymore. Neither have I.
Oh no, that must have been so upsetting. But you can do something wonderful to help. Well, you have so many toys. Maybe you could share some with your friend?
Yes, that's a great idea. I think it would make my friend really happy.
Does she have a favorite toy?
Yes, my friend loves dogs. I will give her my plush dog as a gift.
That's very kind of you.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pony toys. I will give her 2. That's a great way to share.
You continue here, I will make my cookies.
My friend also loves puzzles. That will be a perfect gift. I will give her one of my animal puzzles.
Now let's put our cookies in the oven.
Sophia, can I give my friend some clothes too?
Of course, you can give her a pair of shoes and some t-shirts if you would like.
Okay. I will give her a pair of pants, a t-shirt, and shoes.
That should help. Now we are ready to go visit your friend. We have the pies, the clothes, and some warm chocolate cookies. See you next time, friends. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.